Yeah, welcome back. Austin here. And in this one, we're going to be talking about the SERP Analytics or Search Engine Results Page Analytics. Now, I'm going to kind of start from back on this one. And the reason is because the SERP Analytics is a little similar to Authority Amplifier, but there are some really important differences. Our publishing platforms are already in here, and they are here so you can select which ones you want to publish to, but you want to generate for, but you cannot publish from here. You have to go back to push the content to the dashboard in the content generation area to publish. But I just want to point that out also. There are two additional content types that we are producing here. We are generating listicles and also infographics. And I really like the idea of being able to generate infographics here. So let's dig into it. Go back to the beginning. And I'm going to paste in my keyword. And we are using Google for our analysis. I believe the analysis is complete. Okay. So here is our analysis. All of your SERP analysis are going to be here in this tab. This is where you paste in your keyword. Once the analysis is completed, it's going to be pushed over to the analysis history. So from here, you can select the platforms you want to generate content for. Let's say we want to generate for Medium and for WordPress. We have done articles in the other demos. So now let's do something different. We're going to do infographics this time. So I'm going to click on infographics. It's going to generate for these two platforms. Once it's done, it's going to tell you that the content has been saved in the saved content page. So create two platform variant, check your saved content library. So this is what it's referring to. So it created content for these two platforms and it saved it over here. So we're gonna go there and look at those two. Infographics, HBAC installation. Now there are four things that you can do here with this piece of content. You can delete it, you can view it, and it gives you the source content, and then it gives you the two variations that the two platforms that we generated for Medium and WordPress. So this is the source content, this is content for Medium, and this is content for WordPress. So going back out of there to here, now we can, since we are doing infographics, we need some kind of image. So we have to click on this to generate the image prompt. And then we can take that prompt to, let's say, Nano Banana or ChatGPT or Midjourney or any of the image generators to generate our image. But this gives us the prompt for that image. Now to publish this content that we generated to our platform, for these two platforms, for Medium and WordPress, we need to send it to the generator, and that's what this button is for. But right now we just want to create a prompt for our image. The prompt is created, we can copy the prompt, we can save it, and we can close. There is also a button here to go to Open Router, and Open Router is like an aggregation of the different AI and large language platforms. I have an account with Open Router, and once you get over here, you click on models, you will see all the different models, the different AI models in here, and you can choose and pick what you want to use. So for our purpose here, I'm going to use Nano Banana. We can also use OpenAI or Midjourney or any of the other image generation platform. But for this here, I'm going to use Nano Banana. So let's search for Nano Banana. and that's a Google image generation platform. Click on chart. So once you're here, you click on modules, model that you want to use. So once you're getting here, look for the model that you want to use, and you can use the search button to search for it if you know the name. Banana. Then you click on chart, paste your prompt. Okay, I didn't copy the prompt. I believe now I got the prompt, so we come back over here, paste it in. Okay, and you see this is a very detailed image prompt. And Nano Banana is pretty fast, and this is what it gives us. Usually it gives you 2 images for the same prompt, and you can pick and choose the one you like. And you can see that this is looks very professional. I mean, very detailed and very professional. And we can also add our link to this image. So, but I'm gonna get out of here. I can download it, save to my computer. We can also do OpenAI and compare the two and see which one. It's the same exact prompt, so I'm going to click on the plus sign, create image, paste the prompt. OpenAI takes a little longer to generate. It's almost done generating. Okay, this is awesome. Now I'm kind of confused. I don't know which one to pick, but I think I like OpenAI better because it gives you like a step-by-step, which I don't think Nano Banana did that. So based on that, I think I'll go with OpenAI. I'm going to download this too and save it. Even though I'm not doing anything in this niche, so but it could be used later for something. Maybe I can find a client. Okay, so I'm going to save that. So going back to where we were, now I can close this, and we can send this to the generator to publish this to the platform that we selected. But since this is just an infographics, I don't think it would be a good idea to publish this. But just for demo, I'm gonna send this over. Okay, so now it's over here, the ultimate guide to installing to HVAC installation, sizing, cost, and more. It's great. It's such a great piece of content. So yeah, we can publish this to our platform. And from here, the process is just the same like we did before. So that's it for the SERP Analytics. Again, like the authority amplifier, they both analyze the top ranking websites on Google, the top 10, analyze them, see what their content looks like, see how we can leverage their architecture and use that to generate our own content and then try to rank above them. And that's the whole idea, especially using the power of these high domain authority sites. So that's it for this one. I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.